Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today, looking forward to sharing with you my new camera that I got for my YouTube channel. Very excited, as for years I've been using my phone primarily. I had recently been using the GoPro Hero 7, was hoping maybe it would work, but I decided that's it. I'm going to go ahead and invest in a camera. And the one that seemed to have come up a lot that people love is the Canon M50. So I thought, all right, this is the camera I'm going to go with. Went into the store, took a look at it, and just had really gotten, good reviews, very good reviews. I know that for 4K there's an issue with cropping, but it's supposed to be great with 1080, and also good stability, a quick focus on the lens that it comes with. It does come with the EF M15-45. I will put a link to the camera and the other products that I got. If you are also in the market and looking at the Canon M50, then hopefully my video will be of help. If you're using it, love any feedback, if you leave any comments. So then I wanted to decide, should I go with black or should I go with white? And it was tough to decide, and in the end, I went with the white. I decided that I wanted to go with the white. It looked different, and so I'm really excited. And I had actually had shot another video, which somehow I deleted, so I'm reshooting this, and I wasn't going to put it back in the box. It was out already, but feels good in the hand. It's got some nice weight to it, and for me, I'm really excited because I hadn't used where I had a screen so I could see what I'm doing when I'm shooting the videos. I'm really depending upon and hoping for the most part that it would come out well. So this will be nice to have, and really like it. I'm a Canon fan. I owned another point and shoot Canon camera, but I do like it in the white. It's a little bit different, and even with the black lenses, I think it'll be okay. And you know what? Why be the same as everyone else? So I think white will be cool. It definitely will be a conversation piece. So there it is in the white. If you're deciding, should I go white or should I go black? Well, here it is in the white, and definitely I'd say go for it. It does come with, I think it's kind of a nice strap. Some people think it's okay. I'm sure there are some better straps. I'm primarily going to be using the camera here in my house, but there you go. It does come with this this big manual as well, and the other information. The other thing that it comes with is, and I just had to go take it out of the charger, out of the wall, because I had started charging up the battery, but it does come with one battery and the charger. I did order the alternate battery, which is supposed to be less expensive, so I've got that coming. I'll put a link to those batteries as well. Then next I got as a package, I did get the adapter piece. It did, they had a package which seemed like it was a great value versus buying it separately. I actually, when I put the order together, I had bought the adapter, and then when I went back in, I was like, wow, as a package, it's a great deal. So I did get the adapter so I could use other lenses. So I'm just going to keep it in the box, but if you, there is an alternative adapter that other people have talked about, and I'll put a link to that as well. So that's the adapter. And then I got the 50mm f1.8 lens, for shooting portraits, for both photos and videos, when you want to blur out the background and really just focus on the subject. So I got that, and then for a little bit more, it came with this this other stuff. It comes with this little pouch, this neoprene pouch that I can keep the lens in. Also, it comes with this filter. Don't know if I'll ever use the filter, but comes with the filter. Comes with some sort of strap. And then it comes with this combo brush with the foam piece. So you got the brush there. And then it's got this like foam material. So there you go. It's got that. So moving right along, next up, got the microphone. Been using this wireless microphone. It works well, but I don't always like to wear the microphone. Sometimes I just wear a t-shirt. It was kind of making the t-shirt look hanging, so this would be nice. Plus, I don't have to carry around a separate microphone. So I ended up going with the Rode VideoMicro microphone, and it was recommended even by the person at the store I was talking to, so I went with that one. And I'll be doing separate videos on the different products, especially with the microphone, with and without the sound. And then I wanted to look at getting a bag. I thought maybe get a little bigger bag, but then when I started looking, I figured I'd check this one out. And it's actually a nice little bag. It's small, compact. The reviews are really positive on it. It's really nice. And one of the things that I like, it's got in here, you can keep, if you have extra memory cards, you want to put some cables. Comes with this cover. This it almost looks like a poncho cover that covers the whole bag, so it keeps it protected with the rain. It's got a very nice shoulder strap there, so it's kind of thick, as you can see. And the inside, it's really nice. It's really well made for the money. I think a great bang for the buck. You got these separate sections there, and then back here you can see these little straps. They don't have any stretch to them, but you can put a tripod in there. And so if I want, then I could put the camera in there like this, and I still have some room, where I could put some, different accessories, or I could put another lens, whatever, what have you, and then you could just, carry it on the go. It's got a very nice handle as well if you don't want to use the shoulder strap, but there you go. You could protect your Canon camera or whatever camera you have. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Looking forward to using my new camera. Some people might say the white looks like a toy, but hey, that's okay. I'm excited. It's definitely cool and different. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I will put a link to all the products, so I look forward to any feedback as well, and I look forward to learning more about taking photos and how the lenses work and more about the camera. I did take a photography class in college, but other than that, the only time I actually had another really nice camera when I was 13, I got an Olympus camera as a gift, and unfortunately it was stolen, I believe, by the super of my building that I lived in. I was so bummed out, but over the years I've always had a point and shoot camera, and then of course cameras, and I'm shooting right now with my Google Pixel 2 XL. It's worked. It's worked for up to this point, and it's a good way if you are getting into YouTube videos. Just save your money up, use the camera phone. But I'm at the point where I wanted to go to the next step, and there you go. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Looking forward to any feedback. Looking forward to sharing new videos and enhancing my channel in other ways I can. I'm also going to see how it shoots with the lighting that I have, and maybe consider even getting some LED lighting. So that's it, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.